So hey good people, so today in this video I am gonna show you that how you can use Mojito swap, what is Mojito swap, and how you can use and earn passive income on Mojito swap. Okay, so it is what is Mojito swap. So it is the decentralized exchange on KCC, which is Kucoin chain. Okay, so which is owned by Kucoin crypto exchange. Okay, so it is the decentralized exchange on KCC. Okay, so it is just got listed on Kucoin yesterday and its price went, you can see that its price right now is $2.11. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can use this Mojito swap exchange uh, and passive income. Okay, so here is the interface of Mojito swap. You can see that it has over 43 million total value log, total MJT supply you can see here, and total circulating supply is okay, and all time traders are 2.4 million, which is very good option. Okay, so what is the advantage of Mojito swap exchange? So it is the community driven fabulous user experience and more on DeFi projects. Okay, so here you can see the partners of this exchange. You can see this KCC, which is Kucoin chain, is the partner. Here you can see all the FAQs. So this is the interface of Mojito swap. Okay, so just click on here launch app. Here you can see launch app button. Just click on here and you will see the interface of Mojito swap exchange. Okay, so here you can see that I just got one pop-up notification to add Kcc network in my MetaMask wallet. Okay, so this is my MetaMask wallet. Here you can see, so right now my network is phantom. Right now you can see that my network is phantom, and these are all the networks that are available in my MetaMask account, MetaMask wallet. Here you can see all the networks, but there is no Kcc network here. So first of all you have to add Kcc network in order to use Mojito swap exchange. Okay, so just click on you just have to click on, so I will show you that how you can add Kcc network. So just click on here, you can see the launch app. Just click on here launch app button, and a one pop-up will appear which is which wants you to add Kcc network. Okay, you don't have to do anything, just open Mojito swap and add Kcc network. Here you can see that allow this site to add a network. Okay, so this network is Kcc mainnet network, and these all the details. You don't have to add these all the details one by one. So just click on here approve and switch network. Okay, so here you can see that my network will be here. You can see you just have to click your main account, just click on connect. So here you can see that my wallet right now is connected here. Okay, so if I go to MetaMask wallet, here you can see that my network right now is Kcc mainnet network. Okay, so here you can see I have 0 KCS balance. Okay, here I can actually receive and send KCS tokens from Kucoin. Okay, so make sure to add Kcc network mainnet network, so you can use the Mojito swap to exchange. Okay, here you can see my KCS balance, my wallet is connected. Okay, so what you can use, what how to use this Mojito swap token, what are the features? Here you can see that Mojito swap just got listed on Kucoin. Okay, so it is the decentralized exchange. You can see different features of Mojito swap exchange. So first of all you just see the home page. Here you can see all the home page. Here you can see the Mojito swap price and price change at etc, and here you can see all the states of Mojito swap. It has over $121 million market cap, total minted. Here you can see all the burn tokens and all the details here. So just click so I just click on trade option and click on exchange. Here you can see, here you can actually exchange your KCS tokens into MTJ, and here you can just exchange all the tokens into MTJ or other tokens. Okay, So that's the first feature, and other features is liquidity. You can provide liquidity and earn passive income. And third one is, which is very amazing, KCC bridge. So if you have tokens on any other network, means if you have tokens, if you have USDT on Ethereum network, you can bridge your USDT from Ethereum to KCC mainnet network without doing anything. Just click asset here. You can see, you can choose all the asset which is available here, and you can see the network. So if you have KCS on Ethereum network, you just enter your amount and convert your Ethereum network KCS token into KCC mainnet network. Okay, you just have to click your wallet. So this is the amazing feature of Mojito Swap exchange. So here you can see the bar feature. So bar, what is bar? So bar is a it is just like liquidity. You use your LP tokens to find your favorite bar just for drink and cheers. So you just provide your liquidity here and earn passive income on all the tokens that are mentioned here. You can earn up to 223% APY if you provide liquidity for MGT and KCS tokens. Okay, so if you have KCS and MGT tokens, you can provide liquidity and earn passive income. So the next feature is wine pool. So what is wine pool? So wine pools is related to pools that are available on any decentralized exchange. So here you can see that you can actually earn MJT and stake MJT. So you can stake your MJT tokens and earn MJT tokens. Okay, so actually right now there are two pools. So first one is stake, you first one is earn MJT. So you just have to click on enable. First you have to click on enable and enable the contract. Okay, so here you can see that you just have to approve this permission to uh, stake tokens. Okay, so here you will see that you will get a 118% APY on MJT tokens. Okay, so the second one is automatic restaking. Okay, so if you stake your MJT tokens, so when you earn your MJT tokens, your reward will be automatically restaked and you will earn 118% APY on MJT tokens. So the next one is referral. You can refer your friends and earn passive income. And the next one is shaker. So shaker is just like mining. Okay, you can use this feature. So the amazing feature that is NFT. So NFT right now, NFT marketplace on Mojito Swap is coming. You can actually activate your profile here. NFT marketplace is also launching here, you can see. Okay, and launchpad option is also upcoming on Mojito Swap token. Okay, so this is the Mojito Swap token tutorial review, that how you can use this exchange. It is the amazing DEX on Kucoin Kcc chain. So make sure to connect wallet. Okay, so I have given the link in the description. Okay, so I have given this link in the description. So make sure to connect your wallet through my link and you will get 1% trading fee. Okay, so that's all in this video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.